Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna install a triple line gate contact onto a steel sliding gate for the electric fence system, and there's some aspects that you need to consider when you're trying or want to fit such a bracket onto a steel sliding gate. So let's have a look. Let's quickly have a look at the steel sliding gate. We've got 4 options that we might consider where we could place this gate contact, electric fence gate contact. The first position is here on the front top section of the gate. The second position is lower down. The third position is here where the old contact was. The old contact obviously worn out, so it was fitted here on the gate, or then lower down. So what happens with steel sliding gates when you do open them? This is obviously a shorter gate, much more sturdier gate, is that they do wiggle from side to side, opening and closing. So I'm just going to quickly close it and show you. So I'm going to wiggle it with my hand, but you can have the same with wind. And there you can see how it wiggles. That's on a strong gust wind. Which means as your contact points on the gate contact would not have made proper contact. Thus, putting it, the gate contact here on top would be nice, but you don't have proper control over your gate, especially with gusting winds. If we move down a little bit lower, the gate is more aligned in a sense, so the wiggling occurs on the top. You can build your own bracket and then fit the gate contact much lower down on the gate, so that can work well. The problem with this is you've got exposed points, and all of the small children, grandchildren, is going to get electrocuted from the electric fence if it's this low down. That means the other area just above the gate motor, which is very stable because you've got your gate wheels aligning the gate, and you've got your gate rollers aligning the gate. So the most sturdiest part on a sliding gate motor is on the bottom at the back. So that's the best place to install a gate contact for an electric fence. But again, it's within arm's reach of any small child. They're going to get electrocuted. So the best and safest way to fit it is to get it up higher, away from any child fiddling with it. If you look at this gate, there's not enough space to clear it and install it properly. So what we're going to have to do, we'll have to extend this post a bit and build our own bracket, and then connect the gate contact onto it. Stay tuned. Let's just quickly give you a view. We've used 40 by 40 by 3 angle irons, which we've welded into position. So from here on, this is our base for the gate contact where the gate slides into it. Let's have a look. So we're done making the steel sliding gate bracket for the electric fence system. We've used 40 by 40 by 3 millimeter steel angle iron, 50 by 5 flat bar, and yeah. Now it's basically to connect up all of the wires, the HT cables, and then make settings on the gate motor to accept the gate contact. Sweet, done with it. Come now, son. All connected up. Quickly just show you the operation on it, and where the sun doesn't affect us. So you've got the 3 pins that locks into position as soon as the gate closes. So I'm just going to quickly stand away and open it a little bit. There you can see. Now let's just stop the gate there. Here you can see the 3 connectors. So the top 2 are live. The bottom one is for the earth wire. And then if I move away like this, bring the gate closer, we'll try and stop it. So I've stopped it there. Here you can see the 3 pins, and they line up to insert completely there. Right, let's quickly see how it interlocks. Settings on the gate motor has been changed to assist us in running this bracket alongside the gate motor. If you don't set the settings right, you will get an obstruction the whole time on your gate motor. We do these installations all in Gauteng. You'll see that the steel bracket has been painted with primer paint, Durham's NS4, which is a proper primer paint. Cool. There we go. You can see the gate contact coming. That's it. Open it there. There you can see it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is our trusted Staffix electric fence voltmeter. So what you do is you take the probe, press it against the contact, and it reads the voltage. 10,900, so that's the return voltage. Then no electric fence pulse would always be 100% exactly the same. We move it over to the other one, 11,200, 4,000. So yeah, so we currently have electricity running through the gate contact. Just going to stop here and pause. Electric fence gate contact is not engaged, which means I can touch them. I'm not going to get electrocuted while the gate is in the open position. There you can see my fingers touching them, and then obviously Stafix is not going to do anything. Sorry. As soon as I bring Stafix closer to this connection point, it obviously detects the magnetic field created by the electricity. There you go.